Hi guys, welcome to this YouTube channel. I'm excited and happy to have you on this channel today. In today's video, we're going to be learning something new, how to achieve a 3D text effect without using Photoshop or Adobe Illustrator, and that means that you can achieve it with your smartphone. Now this has its limit to how much you can do or how much you can achieve, right? But regardless, it is still so amazing. Without further ado, let's dive into the tutorial. What you need to do first is to go to Google and search for Google Gemini, right? Then it shows you and you click it. You will need a Google account to make use of this. So now the next thing is to import the image that has the effect that I want to edit. So now guys, I've imported the image that has the 3D text effect that I want to edit, and I have typed my prompt and it says change the word golden, which is the word on the image, to the word creative sum. It should sustain the same 3D style, color, shadows and style, right? So basically this is the prompt. You can explore to find out new things and maybe other things that you can achieve. So what I'm going to do now is to send this. Now I want you to know that the first attempt may not be perfect, so you may need to do it again. Sometimes after sending the prompt and I notice that there's something that is not perfect, I will outline that area that is not so good so that it will fix it, right? So first attempt may not be good, but if you point out what needs to be corrected, you're definitely going to get something good. So let's send this prompt and see what we get. So guys, this is our results from golden to creative zoom. Can you see how everything is the same? Can you see it? So now how do you make use of this? What you do now is to download it. You click on the image and I'll just click on the download icon and I will go over to where I'm going to remove the background and use the text effect. So now guys, I am on PixArt, right? So what I'm going to do is to remove the background. Click on tools and click on AI enhance to make it a bit sharper. And here you can see it looks more better and sharper than it was. So I'll just click OK, and the next thing is remove BG, and boom. So I'll click here, click on OK at the top. Now click on the download icon, which is automatically going to download, and I will come here and click on that icon that is close to JPG to reveal other options, and I will choose PNG and I will download another copy. This is going to download with a higher resolution. You see it has changed to 2.0 MB from 800 KB. So guys, this is how you can use text effects on your smartphone without Photoshop or Adobe Illustrator. Thank you for watching this video to the end, and if you're new to the channel, please subscribe because I want to see you in the next tutorial. Please, hey, don't go. You haven't dropped a comment yet. And yeah, you have not clicked on the like button. See ya in the next video.